Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another video, y'all. For Christmas, I actually decided to record. I always record on Christmas. I don't know. For the last past years, I've been recording, and I always give a Christmas look. But today is something different because I'm also watching this look on Instagram, but not on YouTube. It's just a look that I came up with out of the palette. It didn't have much Christmassy looks to me, so I decided to go with this beautiful, bright, bold look, and all these colors were definitely in the palette. And the glitter, I don't like using the pressed glitters in the palette, but they absolutely showed up and showed out, even though it's creased a little bit. And that's exactly why I don't like using the pressed glitters in the palette. But overall, the palette is actually pretty good. Keep you long. I just want to get right into this video so that we can get started. Let's go. Right, guys, first thing first is putting my Plouise Base in shade number 5 and 6 on to basically prime my lids to get ready for the eyeshadow. I'm taking my 142 concealer buffer brush from Jouer to pat the Plouise Base out. I thought I was going to use this Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, but I actually switched it to the Violets by Juvia's Place, y'all. Don't forget to use my code BMarie to save you some money off. And I'm going to take this Makeup Addiction flat brush, and I'm going to pat this on the outer V areas. It's the third shade in that palette. I'm going to go into this Morphe palette that I created, and I'm going to take the shade Hookah from Suva Beauty on a Morphe 505 brush and basically pat this on top of the first shade that I laid down. So this look isn't a cut crease, it's a regular eyeshadow look that I say no cut, and I'm just basically trying not to go all the way in the front because I want some type of space to apply that lid shade. I'm going to take Sugabe Cosmetics Maziyah palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Empress to put as my third shade on top. I'm not going to put as much on, y'all. And this is a Jaclyn Hill brush. It's like a fluffy brush, the one I always be using now. And I'm basically going to pat that on top of the second shade that I use. And then I'm going to go back into each shade to kind of deepen it up and get ready for the lid color. So I am taking my Plouise base in the shade number 5 and putting it on the lid so that I can basically open up some space to apply my lid shade. Going back into the Maziyah palette, I'm going to take the shade Kiwi Splash And I am taking a fluffy brush, which is semi big but not that big, to basically make the edges of the shadows blended, if you get what I'm saying. Instead of going in with a shader brush, which makes it harsh, we're going with a blended brush so they can blend it out. And then I'm gonna go into Pineapple Mimosas. I never had one of those, y'all. I definitely want to try it. And then the shade Empress, and then the shade Cake, y'all. So all of those colors, I definitely will leave everything in the script jar below so that you know exactly what I used. I want to take gel liner number 77 from Inglot and some Dior line and basically line my lids as if I was doing a straight line, but I'm also going to do a wing line. So this is a good way to actually achieve that wing liner. That thick wing liner is to draw a line first and then go back in with the liquid liner, make that wing. Y'all, so this is my first time actually trying this foundation. This is Backstage Airflash foundation in the shade 600 Mocha, and I actually like it. It doesn't look really orange to me in person. I actually like how I sprayed it on, but then later on I'm going to spray it on my hand and apply some on my face and actually blend it out with my brush. For concealer, I took my Creamy Radiance from Nars, and this is in the shade Carmel, y'all. I absolutely love this concealer. This is like my favorite at the moment. And I am going to take my concealer from Multi Sculpting Concealer from Tooface in the shade Sable to basically contour with. After everything is blended out, I am going to take Banana from Anastasia Beverly Hills to set my highlighted areas. And then to set my whole face, I'm going to take my MAC foundation powder in the shade NW50. Back to the eyes, I'm going to take Angel Eyes from the Maziyah palette, the first palette that we was working with, and I want to put this in the inner tear duct area. After I put that in the inner tear duct area, I'm going to go into the Kamiah palette, y'all, and I am going to grab Ocean Eyes and Coral Sands, and it's just going to create this perfect gradient effect. So I didn't even put purple, but those two colors made purple. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to go into the Sugabe Cosmetics Glow Me Sis palette, and I want to take this gold shade and a peach shade to basically do my highlighter with. Every time I'm finna record, Layla knows that I'm recording, so she get louder, y'all, so her voice can be known. So I took an oldie blush, y'all. So I took an oldie blush from Lafemme blushes, y'all, and I took this in between my contour and highlight to give me some color back into that skin. Now I'm just dusting off the excess powder on my cheek area, well, under my cheek. And then I'm going to go in with these lip glosses from Sugabe Cosmetics. I don't know this gloss name. I'll definitely leave the description bar below for you all. But I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Don't forget to press that bell button on the side of the subscribe button so that you will always be notified. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. And I'll see you on my next tutorial.